Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Candy Crush ads. To start, remember that these ads usually appear within other mobile games or applications, not directly from the Candy Crush app itself. First, make sure your device has a strong, stable internet connection, as ads require data to load properly. Next, check your device's privacy settings to ensure that ad tracking is enabled, allowing for personalized ad delivery. To trigger Candy Crush ads, focus on playing other free-to-play mobile games. Many games offer incentives like extra lives, coins, or power-ups in exchange for watching a short advertisement. Actively seek out these opportunities within various games. Additionally, installing new applications from your device's app store can often lead to an initial surge of diverse ad content, including those for popular titles like Candy Crush. Optimizing your device settings can significantly influence the ads you receive. Consider resetting your device's advertising identifier. This essentially gives you a fresh ad profile. Also, take a moment to review and adjust your ad personalization settings within your Google or Apple account. Broadening your interests can lead to a wider variety of ads. Finally, clearing the cache of apps that often display ads can help refresh the ad content. If you're still not seeing Candy Crush ads, there are a few troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your device's operating system is fully updated, as this impacts ad platform compatibility. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or VPNs, as these can prevent ads from loading. Remember that ad availability is dynamic, influenced by your geographic region and current advertiser campaigns. Patience and consistent engagement with ad-supported apps are key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.